Hello guys, welcome to MC and today we can bring you guys another latest coffee machine, which is the ES317. We're gonna make a total review of this coffee machine. So the first step is just put the coffee beans inside it. And then we take off the water tank and infuse fresh water to 3/4 capacity. And right now, let's prepare the milk. Just put the milk into the milk tank, lock it on, and use this tube to connect with the coffee machine. Okay, after all the thing is done, let's plug it and turn on the switch. And then press the screen. Wait for a while. The system will have a self-cleaning mode. After it's done, it will enter the working mode. And now let's make a cup of cappuccino. We can press the button to adjust the parameter according to your prefer.
So this coffee machine can also be extracted with coffee powder. After adding a spoon of the coffee powder, click the spoon button to select the type of the coffee what you want, and then you can get the espresso.
When we need to clean the coffee machine, let's just move the wastewater tray and the milk tank. And then let's open the side door. First, remove the brewing unit, and then the drag plate and drag drawer. After all the accessories are cleaned, wait for it dry and let's just put it back.